In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Steam not opening. Now first, what we want to try if you try to open Steam and it's not working is we want to come down here and search for Task Manager. Now from in here, you want to press on Details, sort by the name, press Anywhere and press S. Now you want to look for the Steam and make sure you close all of the Steams. Usually when you close the steam.exe, it will close all of them. Now try and relaunch Steam and see if this works. Now if this still doesn't work, what you can try is right click on Steam, go to Properties, Compatibility, and activate these two. Now activate them and try and launch Steam and see if that works. Now another thing we can try is open up the firewall, allow an app right here, and let's see if I have Steam already. Yep, I have Steam right here, but if you don't, you can change settings, allow another app, and then you can add your Steam. Now the easiest way to do that is find your Steam, right click, open file location, and then you can copy this up here. Control C. Allow another app, browse, click up here, Control V, and you will open up the Steam. From in here you want to choose steam.exe and then put it into your firewall. Now make sure you have private and public enabled from Steam and Steam Web Helper, just like this. Now if that still doesn't work, what we can try is we can simply come down here, type run %local app data %, press OK, press S somewhere and find our Steam folder. Now you can delete this folder and don't worry, it's gonna re-download itself when you launch Steam. Now as a last resort, if none of this works, we can come down here and search for apps and features. In here, look for Steam and simply uninstall and reinstall. Now any of these should hopefully fix the issue for you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.